Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Click on chat. Here, click on new message icon at the top right corner of the page. So guys, as you can see, contacts is not showing in my iPhone WhatsApp. Let's solve this issue. First, close the application and open the settings app. On the settings menu, click on your iCloud profile name. Here, click on iCloud. Now scroll down and turn on contacts under the iCloud option. Click on merge. Now go back to settings menu. Scroll down to see privacy and tap on it. Here click on contacts. Turn on WhatsApp under the contacts. Now go back to home screen and open the WhatsApp application again. And check that contacts is showing in your WhatsApp or not. So guys, as you can see, all my contacts are showing in my WhatsApp application.